Hello my beautiful people, welcome back to an absolutely gorgeous evening tonight. It's been rather lovely the last couple of days. We've had a little bit of a warm spell where it gets kind of warm in the afternoon and it's just beautiful and sunny, and I have been so grateful because I've been freezing for 3 months. Not as freezing as some of you, but freezing for me. So in honor of the warm sunny weather, we're using some warm and sunny colors. The last painting that I did for you guys was called Whimsical. Was a smaller canvas than this that I was experimenting with using some mandala stencils and a transparent base coat. There were a few issues that I had with that one because it was largely experimental. I had few too many mandalas on there, I felt like, and I didn't really like the way that I had spaced them out. So I actually dug out my box of stencils and went looking through all of them and found this one, which is a little bigger, which I like better because this is a bigger canvas, and I like the placement of only 3 on here much better than I liked the other one. So we're gonna try that again tonight. Going bigger and better and cleaning it up a little bit. Hopefully do a nice, really clean, beautiful pour and not screw anything up. So cross your fingers. I think this is gonna work, and I'm really, really happy with how this looks so far. I'm kind of tempted to just leave it like it is because I really do like it. So this is a 24 by 30 inch gallery wrap canvas. I have painted sides and edges and taped and pinned the back. And I have underpainted this with some Pebeo Iridescent Orange Yellow and some Cadmium Yellow Deep. And these stencils are a mandala stencil that I got from Amazon years and years and years ago. And they are using this little piggy pigment in cinnamon to do the stencil, which is really, really beautiful. So this is cinnamon from this little piggy pigments. And I love this color. It's so pretty, and I think it looks so beautiful with the yellow and the orange. So very excited about that. So you can find all your This Little Piggy pigments as well as their amazing split cup from my friend Fiona at www.fluid-art.co. So let's get started. Now we finished all of that. Let me show you the colors we're going to use. I wanted something that was going to really contrast very highly with the orange and yellow. So the first thing that came to mind is this Liquitex Turquoise Blue, which I've used quite a bit lately, but I really like it. I love the Golden's Turquoise Phthalo, but that dries a lot darker. This dries this color a lot lighter, so I really want that pop. So that's why we're using the Turquoise Blue from Liquitex Basics. My pouring medium is my Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol, and a lot of water. So more water than Floetrol. And as you can see, it's just pretty much sinking into itself, not really leaving any kind of mound at all. And this is the consistency I had last time, which I feel like was almost perfect. This one started out as Prussian Blue, but I wanted Payne's Gray and I didn't have any more, so I added a tiny bit of black to the Prussian Blue, and now it's this lovely deep navy color. So Prussian Blue and a little bit of black. You can make your own Payne's Gray. Alright, this is my DecoArt Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. My showgirl, who does beautiful things. And I have some pearl yellow from Amsterdam. These are all leftovers, actually. So this is the pearl yellow. So that's the cool thing about this technique. It actually doesn't use very much paint. Like, all my cups were pretty much full after last time. All right, so, and I also have here a tub of my pouring medium, which is my transparent base coat also. This is the Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss and Floetrol and a lot of water. And you can see the consistency just sinking into itself, not leaving any kind of mound, nice and thin. So I'm going to scoop these over for a minute while we put down our base coat and tilt it out so we don't make a mess anywhere. Okay, my stencils are dry this time. I didn't put them on very, very thick. The stencils are the TLP Cinnamon and Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss. That's it. So, okay. Stir. Alright, so we're going to flood the canvas with the base coat transparent base coat. Alright, let's tilt this out. Just gonna go over there. I'm gonna go down this side now. Nice and easy. Moving pretty quick. And I see this thing. I'm gonna take it out. Okay. Pour a little bit over here. Some over here. Okay. I'm gonna get that into this corner. Ooh, there's a big clump right there. There we go. So now we've got a nice thin coat on there. Not too much at all. Okay, so composition, what I want to do, I want to lay the paint starting from this edge and have one branch going this way and one branch going that way. So I don't really intend to have the paint going over the mandalas. Okay. We're going to start with some of our pearl yellow. Here we go. We're going to start off the edge of the canvas. And we're going to go this way. And then we're going to go this way. Okay. And we're going to try not to drip like I did last time. Okay, same thing here. Except I'm going to go up first and then go across. Here we go. Are you ready, darling?
Yes, mother.
Here we go. This is our Payne's Gray Prussian Blue. And I don't want a lot of this, so. Okay, now we're going to use our turquoise blue from Liquitex. And a little bit of gold. Pearl yellow. Okay. I'm just going to put a little bit more of the transparent base coat along the edge here. Alright, moment of truth. So we're going to use my Makita cordless mini leaf blower. This is awesome because it's cordless and it has cool air and it has a progressive trigger. So the harder I squeeze, the harder the air comes out. Which is kind of cool. Okay, stop stalling, Mina. Get to it. Okay, so. Nice deep breath. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, ma'am.
We're going to start over here. Okay, I'm actually going to go this way first just a little bit. So far, so good. Okay. We're gonna go up this way. Are you ready, darling?
Yes, my love.
Okay. We're gonna go a little bit over here. Ready, honey?
Uh-huh.
All right. It's looking pretty cool, actually. Pretty happy with that. Let's see if we can get a little bit this way. All right. I don't really want to do too much more to it than that because, like I said, I wanted the mandalas to stay intact, and I like the very minimal ethereal composition, and I think that light turquoise is going to really pop against the orange background. So this is kind of awesome. What do you think, HOA?
Yeah.
You like it?
Mine a little more wispies.
Yeah, but I don't want to put too much on there because then it's going to take forever to dry and I'll screw it up. Sometimes less is more. And the biggest thing, which with the colors, you know, especially with using the leaf blower, I never want to go over it multiple times because that just tends to make mud. So usually your first pass is going to be the best one. So that's the only thing I wouldn't mind doing is a little bit over here. Clean that up a little bit. We're gonna go right here. You ready, honey?
Yeah.
All right, that's good. I think we're gonna stop there. I don't know if I like this, so I'm just gonna, if you want to finger dip it out of existence. Okay, let's torch this. Okay, I think we are done. So that was a lot of fun. I will show you guys when it's dry. Thank you so much for hanging out with us tonight. I hope you enjoyed this one, and we'll be right back with dried results. Cool. Okay, so here we are with the dried results. I am so happy with this. I love how it turned out. First of all, it worked, which is always awesome. And I love that these colors are together. That turquoise blue just really pops against the yellow and the orange. And that little bit of the darker Prussian panes color just gives it a lot of depth in there. But I really like the flow and the movement, and how that blue sort of ethereal wave is sort of floating across the canvas. Really, really cool stuff in here. I especially love, like over here, those little wispy bits of the Prussian or the Payne's gray around, like just floating where it was inside the transparent base coat. I just love that. There's some really, really cool stuff in here. This part is just so pretty. I love, again, that lacing through the transparent base coat, how it dried is just gorgeous. And then, of course, all these little cells in here. Really, really cool. You see our gold blinging. The mandalas with the cinnamon from TLP. A little bit of gold up in there. That's actually the pearl yellow. So I'm a little surprised that it's not showing up more as the pale gold that it usually does. But very, very pretty. I'm kind of glad that it looks white though, because it's giving us more contrast. against the blue and the orange and the yellow. So this one's so pretty. I love this. Very, very happy with this. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. If you did, please leave me a like. Please leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. And if you can, please share the video. It helps me a lot and I really appreciate it. So thanks so much. I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. We'll see you real soon. Bye-bye. Thank you.